Maya, where is my suitcase?
It is right there, Theo, near the door.
Oh, thank you. I am so worried. I always forget things when I go on vacation.
I know. Last year you forgot your shoes.
That is true. I had to walk in the airport with only my socks. It was very cold.
People were looking at you, Theo. It was funny.
It was not funny for me. But today, I am ready. I have my bag, my passport, and my hat.
Good. We are talking about vacations today. It is a great topic because everyone loves a holiday.
Yes, it is the best time of the year. Before we start our big conversation, please subscribe to Sidekick English. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends who want to learn English. It helps us make more videos for you.
Thank you for the support. Now, Theo, let us talk about your dream vacation. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to a tropical island. I want to see the blue water and the white sand. I want to eat coconuts all day.
That sounds relaxing. Do you like the sun?
I love the sun, but I get red very fast. I look like a tomato after 1 hour.
You need to use sunscreen, Theo. A lot of sunscreen.
I have some in my bag, I think. Let me check.
Don't open the bag now. We need to talk about the different types of vacations. Some people like the beach, like you, but some people like the mountains.
The mountains are beautiful. I like the fresh air, but hiking is hard work. My legs get tired.
Hiking is great exercise. You can see trees, birds, and sometimes a lake. It is very quiet.
I like quiet places, but I also like big cities. I want to visit New York or Tokyo.
Cities are exciting. There are many tall buildings and bright lights. You can go to museums and shops.
And the food. City food is the best. I want to eat pizza in New York and sushi in Tokyo.
Food is a big part of travel. When I go on vacation, I always try the local food, even if it looks strange.
You are brave, Maya. One time, I saw a green soup in a small village. I was scared to eat it.
Was it good?
I don't know. I ordered a cheese sandwich instead.
Theo, you are not very adventurous. You must try new things. That is the point of a vacation.
Maybe you are right. Next time, I will try the green soup.
Let us talk about planning a trip. Do you use a travel agent?
No, I use my phone. I look for cheap flights and hotels online. It is easy, but it takes a long time.
I agree. I spent 5 hours last night looking at hotels in Paris. There are too many choices.
I like hotels with a swimming pool and a big breakfast. Breakfast is the most important part of the hotel.
I prefer small guest houses. They are more personal. The owners are usually very friendly and they tell you the best places to visit.
That is nice, but do they have bacon and eggs?
Sometimes, but you can also go to a local cafe. It is a good way to practice your English.
That is a good point. When I am in a new country, I feel shy. I don't want to speak because I make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay, Theo. Most people are happy when you try to speak their language or even English. English is a global language. People use it everywhere.
You are right. I need to be more confident. I should say hello and ask for directions.
Exactly. Asking for directions is a great way to start a conversation. You can ask, where is the train station? Or where is the best restaurant?
I usually get lost, even with a map. My phone map says go left, but I go right.
That is because you hold the phone upside down, Theo.
Is that why the river was in the sky?
Yes, Theo. That is exactly why.
Anyway, vacations are not just about the place. They are about the people you are with.
I agree. Traveling with friends is fun. You can share the memories and the costs.
And you can share the suitcase when one person forgets their shoes.
I am not sharing my shoes with you, Theo. Your feet are too big.
That is fair. What about packing? What do you always take with you?
I always take a camera. I love taking photos of the sunset and the old buildings.
I take photos of my food. My phone is full of pictures of pasta and burgers.
That is very typical of you. I also take a good book. I like to read on the plane or on the beach.
I can never read on the plane. I always fall asleep. And then I wake up and my head is on the shoulder of the person next to me.
Theo! That is so embarrassing.
I know. The last time it happened, the man was very nice. He gave me a cookie when I woke up.
You are very lucky. People are usually not that kind to strangers sleeping on them.
Maybe I have a friendly face.
Maybe. Let us talk about transportation. Do you like flying?
I like the clouds. But I hate the security line at the airport. I have to take off my belt and my jacket. It is a lot of work.
It is for safety. It is necessary. I prefer trains. You can see the countryside, and the seats are usually more comfortable.
Trains are good. I like the sound they make. It helps me sleep.
Everything helps you sleep, Theo. What about a road trip? Driving a car to a new place.
I love road trips. You can stop whenever you want. If you see a giant ball of string or a funny sign, you can stop and look.
Yes, and you can play music very loud and sing.
I am a great singer.
No, Theo, you are not. But it is fun anyway.
What is the most beautiful place you ever visited?
I think it was a small island in Greece. The houses were white and the doors were blue. The sea was so clear I could see the fish at the bottom.
That sounds like a dream. I went to a water park once. It had a big slide. That was my favorite vacation.
A water park is fun, but it is not the same as a different country. Learning about a new culture is very interesting.
I like learning about what people do for fun and what they wear.
And how they greet each other. In some places, they shake hands. In other places, they bow.
In my house, we just wave and say, hey.
That works too. Theo, do you ever get homesick on vacation?
Sometimes. After 2 weeks, I miss my bed. Hotel beds are okay, but my bed is perfect.
I understand. I miss my cat. I always wonder if she is okay.
Your cat is fine. She probably enjoys the peace and quiet without you.
That is mean. She loves me.
I am joking. I miss my dog too. I want to take him on vacation, but he is too big for the plane.
You can take him on a camping trip. Dogs love camping.
Camping? Sleeping on the ground in a tent?
Yes. It is fun. You cook food over a fire and look at the stars.
What about the bears? And the bugs?
You just need a good tent and some bug spray. It is a great way to be close to nature.
I think I prefer a hotel with a balcony. I can look at nature from there while I eat a snack.
You are not very outdoorsy, are you?
I like the outdoors for 20 minutes. Then I want a chair and a television.
We are very different travelers. But that is okay. Everyone has their own style.
Some people like to plan every minute of the day. They have a list. At 10 o'clock, we see the tower. At 11 o'clock, we buy a postcard.
That is too much stress for me. I like to have a plan, but I also like to be free. If I see a nice cafe, I want to sit down and stay for an hour.
I agree. A vacation should not be work. It should be a break from work.
Exactly. Many people work too hard and they forget to relax. A vacation helps your brain rest.
My brain is always resting, so I am always ready for a vacation.
I can see that. Do you buy souvenirs when you travel?
I buy magnets for my fridge. I have 20 magnets now. My fridge is a map of the world.
I buy postcards. I write them and send them to my family. It is a nice tradition.
I forgot to send a postcard last time. I brought it home and gave it to my mom by hand.
That defeats the purpose, Theo. The postmark from the country is the best part.
She didn't mind. She just liked the picture of the beach.
What is the most difficult thing about traveling?
For me, it is the money. Everything is expensive when you are a tourist. Water costs $3 at the airport.
That is true. You have to be smart. I always carry a water bottle, and I fill it up for free.
That is a good tip. I also try to eat at places where the local people eat. The food is better, and the price is lower.
Yes, avoid the restaurants near the big monuments. They are always more expensive.
And the menus have pictures. That is usually a bad sign.
Not always, but it is better to find a small place in a side street.
I once found a place like that in Rome. The grandmother was the cook. She didn't speak English, but she gave me so much pasta, I could not move for 2 hours.
That sounds like a perfect vacation moment. Language is not always necessary for kindness.
I felt very happy that day. Food makes me happy.
We know, Theo, we know.
So, if our friends want to go on vacation, what is your advice for them?
My advice is to start small. If you are nervous, go to a city nearby for a weekend. You don't have to go across the world.
My advice is to check your bag 3 times. Check for your passport, your phone, and your socks. Especially your socks.
That is very practical advice. And don't be afraid to use your English. People are usually very helpful.
Even if you say the wrong word, they will understand. If you say, I want apple when you want orange, you still get a fruit.
Well, it is better to get the right fruit, but you are right. Communication is about sharing a message.
I am hungry now. Talking about vacation food makes me want a snack.
We are almost finished. I hope everyone enjoyed our talk about vacations today. It is a big world, and there are so many places to see.
I want to see them all. But first, I need to find my other shoe.
Look under the sofa, Theo.
Found it. You are a genius, Maya.
I just know you very well. Before we go, please tell us in the comments where you want to go on your next vacation. Is it the beach, the mountains, or a big city?
Tell us your stories too. Do you have a funny travel story? We want to read them.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sidekick English. We love having you here with us.
Have a great trip, even if it is just in your imagination for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. I am going to pack my socks now.
See you later, Theo.
Wait, where is my bag again?
It is still by the door, Theo.
Oh, right. Goodbye.